Okay, ladies and gents, this is how to change the fog light bulb. Pull it out. There's a T25 You do them like this, and you pull the light out. So you just need to grab here quickly, like this. Then there's a bulb. You just unscrew the bulb, twist and pull. That's it. Alright, press this tab, pull out, and this is a new bulb, LED. They don't produce heat. I paid about £8 on them for a pair of them on Aliexpress. So that's another Aliexpress modification. Push it in and just make sure it's locked in. That's it. Twist, put the light back in, T25 back in, and the grill back in. That's it, as easy as that. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. It's a very easy job, very easy and fast to do. And see you in another video.